So we are talking about a CSV write. What we are writing? We are writing all the squares of the numbers till 1000 if the value is an even number. How we are calculating the even number if the value is remainder is 0 when divided by 2. Clear? So once we run this data, yes, we are able to write. So we say before to that we say nums. Okay. So all this should go and print in now. This one. That is a C. This one no. This one. Squares right. Howda? Yes. All the values have been printed out. ಹೌದಾ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಡರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಡರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ರೋ ಏನೋ ರೈಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ರೋ ಆ ರೋ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ number and square. What is that? Right row. So file has been opened. You need to close that file. Otherwise it won't write. Okay. Now we will go and again we will open it. Now you got it. Any data we can read and write. You got that?